Let's examine how to do network analysis in Python. And we use a library or the package called NetworkX to make this happen. And like you've seen in many of these, we use a bunch of different kind of libraries to make this happen. So let's first load them, and then we need to import the data and make it as a network file. So that's what this blog here does. The data itself is a huge matrix where each row and each column is a person, and 1 means that they know each other and 0 means that they do not know each other. So you can see that this person does not know the second person, and the second person does not know the first person either. So just an usual kind of thingy. So we download the library, or we import the data file. We read it through as data file, and then because it was in that kind of matrix format, we need to bring in the agency matrix and actually formulate it as a network. Now, as it's now a network, we can use some functions like computing the degree of each node. So we know that node 0, so the first row, is 27. The node 1 has 18. So these are really sort of how many connections they have. And then you can see that it varies within the group quite a lot. Here's some exercises that you can do to get more familiar with these. And we'll move into doing plotting with networks. And we again need to import a bit more stuff. And then we just sort of ask it to plot it, and then it does it with a bunch of default parameters, and we have a plot of the network, a messy plot, but we can see here there's the node 9 with the connection. So node 9 is connected with node 21, 13, then a node in the midst of this, and so on. So it was not a good plot because we actually did no customization. So let's think a bit more how to customize it. One approach of customizing is changing the layout. So here we use circle layout where they are geometrically put as a circle. We can vary the node size. So here we set the node size to correspond to the degree of each node. We can change the colors of nodes and edges. And by doing all of that, we can produce a different kind of plot for the same data.